Many news sites and channels have been publishing content under the Garmin Fenix 8 for a while now, supposing that the Fenix 7 still exists. It's obviously obvious that the 8 will release provided Garmin continues to work on the Fenix series. But during the last several days, a lot more doubters have entered the market, which has further fanned these claims. Yes, a brand new Garmin watch is on the way. I must admit, is it, however, the Fenix 8? Before I dive into the specifics, I would strongly advise you to subscribe to Watch Da Vinci if you want to purchase a wristwatch in 2024. Let's get right to the specifics without further ado. Technology-wise, Garmin has traditionally led the smartwatch market. Some of the greatest Garmin watches ever launched include the AMOLED-equipped Garmin ePix Pro and the Fenix 7, which have established high standards. However, due to an early listing discovered by the astute eye of leaker Florin from Fitness Tracker Test, we now have some juicy data regarding the Fenix 8. Florin claims that the Garmin Fenix 8 surfaced on Multitronic, a Finnish retailer's website, with a September 2024 release date. Yes, please put it on your calendars as it is quickly approaching. Like its predecessor, the Fenix 8 will be available in 3 sizes according to the listing. Additionally, it will come in 2 stylish color choices, black and slate gray steel, with a black band on both. These choices are ideal for those who want a little flair in their technology. This is when things start to become pretty intriguing. According to Florin, the Fenix 8 will come equipped with an AMOLED screen by default. With its deeper colors and crisper details, this is a major improvement over the low-pulse MIP screen that is currently in use. It seems that the Fenix 8 is going to replace the ePix name, so say goodbye to it. However, what about the cost? Florin makes reference to a more affordable variant, the Garmin Fenix E, which will keep prices low by keeping the MIP screen. However, the precise numbers are yet unknown. This implies that regardless of your budget, it's a remedy for everyone. While I'm doing this video, Fenix 7, the previous series, is now discounted. You may verify the reduced pricing by clicking the link in the description and comments if you want to assess it. What therefore is our wish list for the Garmin Fenix 8? Firstly, an upgraded AMOLED screen that is on par with the latest Garmin Forerunner series in terms of quality. And lastly, an improved heart rate sensor for even more precision. Not to mention, Garmin Connect now has AI integration to rival the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Imagine route planning, training regimens, and daily exercise suggestions driven by AI that are quicker and more thorough than before. Finally, how about a solar model that incorporates Power Glass technology from Garmin? It would be revolutionary if Garmin could enable Power Glass to function with an AMOLED display. This would greatly increase battery life and keep you energized during those extended excursions. The video is gradually drawing to an end. As I previously said, I advise you to click the link in the description to look at the Fenix 7 series. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe.